In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on rumble.com, then earn money. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. You can see I have already opened rumble.com, so you need to sign up first. Now click on this plus icon, again upload video, then again choose from your computer. For example, I choose this video. Now you need to type your video title. So I type here how to add time stamp on ID. Okay, that's good. So you can add a description as you good. For example, this is my description. Then this is a category. So you need to choose a category. So my video category is how to. So I'm charging. You can see I already found. Now this is a secondary category. So first light video games and printing 70 or die. So you can choose your own way. I choose this, and this is a thumbnail option. So now click your choose on choose. You can add from your computer as well. For example, I choose this one. Then this is a tag optional. You can add some tag as well. Then this is a related video. This is not necessary. Then this is a public, unlisted, and private. So I want to public this video. Now I need to click on this upload option. So here is the four option. You can see video management excluding YouTube. So I choose number 2 option. That's mean this rumble.com authority cannot post your video on youtube.com, and they post only on rumble.com. But if you choose video management, rumble.com authority can decide that this video maybe going to be published on YouTube and rumble.com. It's exclusively decision making by this rumble authority, but this video already I uploaded on youtube.com, so I avoid this number 1 option. Otherwise you can choose rumble or only. That's good. Then you have not signed an exclusive agreement to others parties. You can choose the tick mark, then click on submit, and you need to wait few seconds for this processing purpose. You can see already I get this video link. Then I just copy this link and paste the others tab as well. Wow, you can see my video already published on this platform. Now this is eligible for earn money. Thanks for watching. See you again.